Hello, once again. I'm here in the beautiful island of Langkawi in Malaysia. This place is ridiculous. Just take a look at where I am right now. This is the airport. This is where the plane landed that took me here. And just over there you've got the lovely mountains with the clouds over it. And then out here, more of the same. This island is absolutely beautiful, and today we're out on the ped again, of course, and we're going to go explore it. That is so cool. Look at that, monkeys on the side of the road. 1, 2, 3, 4 monkeys. 5, 6 monkeys. 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa! What the fuck? Right, we're through. We're now queuing up for the cable car to take us to the SkyBridge. It's like 14 quid though, and as I'm at the end of my travelling stint, 14 quid is a lot.
起立啊，都害怕旁边那两个外国人骂我。一个铁皮大箱子，我去！
你这一个吊哪儿呢？
我勒个西妈呀！
Once again, we've been foiled by the cloudy weather, but the ride up was still cool. I think we're at the middle point now. I might go even higher, so maybe go above the clouds. I don't know, probably not. But that's where the cable car comes up. You can see it. They love green screens, like throughout Southeast Asia. Like you go to a place and there's green screen booths set up, and like the Asian people love it. It's just such like why wouldn't you just take a picture yourself in front of the actual thing rather than getting a green screen? Like, are you putting a green screen thing up in your house to be like, this is when we went there? You just sit in front of a, it's like such NPC behaviour. Like, yeah, I guess you could say that, oh, it's cloudy today, so if you took the picture yourself, it wouldn't be as good. It's like, yeah, like, still, why are you buying a picture of you in front of a green screen? A minute, check this out. It is pretty sick up here, to be fair. It's cool being above the clouds, and like I said before, this island is just beautiful. I'm going to go up here, check out the view from here, and then we're going to go do the SkyBridge. Up here on this beautiful bridge, and there's a guy doom scrolling. Okay, that'll probably do me for the Sky Bridge. I'll catch up back with you at the waterfall. We are now at the next destination, which is Seven Wells Waterfall. So this is Seven Wells, which I guess is not part of the waterfall. It's just some pools, but it looks pretty cool. Part of the waterfall. They're really cool, but when they start walking towards you, it is a bit like, you don't know what they're going to do, you don't know what they have. But some of the places you see like these little kids, like kind of like taunting them a little bit. As soon as they do it, they run away. It's just like, that is not a wise move. Not a wise move. You don't want to monkey turn them because they can fuck you up so quickly. Lower down the waterfall now and check this out. Right, now we're done with the waterfall, let's head off and have some lunch in a nearby town. I think it's like a fishing village. I think it's one of the piers where people get the boats and go island hopping from. So we'll check out the town and get some food. Thank you very much. So I'm now in a seafood restaurant by the coast. As you can hear, it's dripping, pissing it down. So I need to wait out until I can get back on the bike, I guess. But see the location, if it was a sunny day, this would be perfect. It's nice over there.